lights down, they're all on show. New light-up birds with wings that glow. They sing, they play, they repeat what you say.
I love you. I love you.
And when you go to bed at night, you'll fall asleep to soothing light. Good night, birdie. Little Life Pets light-up birds, each sold separately. Batteries not included. Out now from Moose.
Joy has different colored birds and nests. She found a red mama bird. Where are her babies? Here are the red babies. The 4 babies go in their nest. Time for Mama to feed the babies. This is Joy, and this is how she learns.
Little Life Pets.
Little birds! Have you seen the new little birds? They're so cute!
Aww.
They love to repeat what I say. I love you.
I love you.
I can't wait to love them all. Little Life Pets.
When you unbox your Owleez, you'll find 1 Owleez. You already chose either the pink owl or the snowy owl. Today, we're unboxing the cute pink one. 1 nest, 1 berry. It's her favorite snack. 1 instruction sheet. It's super helpful. And 1 quick start guide. Keep it handy. Before you play with Owleez, you have to make sure she's fully charged. Here's how. First, unwind and plug the USB end of the cable into a computer. Place your Owleez into her nest. When she's charging, her eyes will blink red. Her eyes will turn solid green when she's all done charging. Remember to remove the cable from the computer when she's all charged up. Heads up, Owleez can't fly when she's charging or while her nest is plugged in. She'll let you know when her battery's low with blinking red eyes. Owleez is a special little owl, and you need to get to know her to play with her. We've already seen her nest. This is where you charge your owlies, where you need to put her when she's about to fly and when you want to play with her by touching her tummy, right here. You can also play with her and feed her by touching her beak. One other place you can touch owlies to play with her is right here on her forehead. And hidden inside owlies are her magical wings, but that's a surprise for later. I'm excited to play with her. You, Owlies. Owlies is a baby, so she has a lot of feelings. But it's easy to know her mood because her eye colors tell you. When you turn Owlies on, her eyes will turn white. That means she's feeling good and ready to play. Owlies is a baby. When her eyes are yellow, just put her berry under her beak, like this. When she's full, she'll stop making her snacking sounds. Sometimes she has a little trouble eating. Move the berry around under her beak until a round berry is touching her, like this. Owlies can be a little mischievous too. If you lose your berry, she might nibble on your finger. Silly Owlies. If you keep feeding her after she's done, she'll get gassy. When her eyes are green, she's gassy. Then you've got to pick her up and pat her gently on the back to burp her. Sometimes Owlies gets cold. If her eyes turn blue, pick her up and hold her forehead to warm her up. Aw, there you go, little owl. Owlies loves to be pet. You can pet her on her head, below her beak, or on her tummy. Remember, you can only pet her tummy when she's in her nest. Her eyes will turn pink because she loves you even more than she loves a good pet. Even the happiest Owlies get sad sometimes. If you hold Owlies upside down, she'll get upset. I get it, Owlies. When you see red eyes, pick her up and pat her head gently to make her feel better. I love you, Owlies. If Owlies gets a little shaken up, she gets dizzy and her eyes will turn orange. Just give her head a pet to make her feel good again. I want to hear Owlies sing. Me, I do. To inspire Owlies to sing you a tune, pick her up and move her side to side. Her eyes will turn purple and she'll sing for you. What a sweet voice. And when she's ready to fly, her eyes blink rainbow colors. So pretty, Owlies, but she's not ready to fly yet. There are a few things you should know before you teach Owlies to fly. Owlies can only take off from her nest, but make sure the nest isn't plugged into a computer. Owlies can't fly if her battery is low, so make sure she's charged up. Owlies should only fly inside the house and somewhere where there are no windy drafts. She's not ready to fly in the wild. Make sure her nest is always sitting on a flat surface. A table is good. Place her nest at least 5 feet away from the walls or any other things that could get in her way while she's flying. Don't stand over her while she's taking off, and make sure you don't let her fly near anybody's eyes or face. Owlies has been tested for safety, and she's durable, so don't worry if she crashes. She's a pretty strong little owl. First, you've got to make sure Owlies' eyes are white. That means she's happy and ready to try to fly. Then, it's time to teach her to fly. You do that by zooming her in the air, like this. Owlies thinks this is a ton of fun, so you'll hear her say, when Owlies feels ready to try flying all by herself, her eyes will blink rainbow colors and she'll make this happy trumpet noise. Since Owlies is just learning to fly, she may not be able to on her first try. If she tries to fly but can't, and you hear this sad noise, just make her happy with pets and love, and try teaching her to fly again. Place Owlies in her nest, then stand back and watch her fly. First, her head will lift up to reveal her wings. Her wings will start spinning, and soon she'll take flight. Owlies is new at flying, so sometimes she'll bump into something while she's in the air, or have a bad landing. If this happens, she'll stop flying right away and her eyes will turn red. She might also not fly up, but forward. Give her some space to stick her landing and try again. Owlies Owlies can either land in your hands, or you can pick her up from the surface she lands on. Place her gently on a table so she can hide her little wings and give them a rest. If she's proud of herself, she'll do a silly happy dance. We're proud of you too!